welcome back. Today I picked up some new Chanel beauty products. So I'm going to share with you what I got from their summer 2021 collection. So here is the bag. My essay did beautifully pack them up with the Chanel ribbon and their dangly charm like that. So before I get into the actual product, this was a gift from my essay. It's a beautiful canvas clear type of summer makeup pouch, and on backside is just Chanel logo. I think it's very simple and pretty for the summertime. So here is my first item. This is a Loose Cocoa Flash lipstick. I choose mine in this color shade 162, and the name is the Sunbeam. I love this name, so let's open it up. And you can see here the color number, shade number is 162, and Sunbeam, made in France. And then let's check the color. It looks like that. Hopefully you can see actual color shade. Let me do the color swatch for you. It's very hydrating texture and very shiny and glossy, as you can see. It's not too red, not too nudie. I think this color is perfect for the summertime. I love it. And next item is this long-wear nail color. I picked up shade number 899 Solar. I like their nail polish in general. They are very pigmented and shiny, so I think this shade will be so pretty under the sun. I already applied on my nail right now, here. And then let me open it up. If you don't know about the Chanel nail polish, applicator is like that. They launched 3 different other color and they are all pretty, but I got mine in this color. So this is the last item, which is a Healthy Glow Natural Eyeshadow Palette. I got mine in color shade Tender, as you can see here. So let's open. It came with this velvet pouch. Let me open the palette. It came with 5 different shades with these 2 applicators. Take a closer shot. It's so beautiful, 5 different colors. As you can see, it's kind of a pink, goldish. I love these all 5 shades. So let me do the swatch for you. So I'm going to just use my finger, the first one. On this side I can make 2 coat. There we go. It's very shadow, kind of very light pink. And next I'm going to do this one, this dark pink violet type of shadow here. Very pigmented and nice. I can use this one as a eyeliner. And next one, I love this gold type of shadow. Let me do that under here. Oh, it's very pretty. And this one has a little sparkle. Okay, next I'm going to do this one. It's my favorite one. But let's check how it looks on my actual skin. It has a pink gold glitters and very sparkle. I think I can use this one as a highlighter. So pretty though. And last one is this one on here. So here are all 5 different eyeshadows, color swatches. I love them. They are very silky and pigmented, and I think very natural. Will be good for summer and springtime as well. I think I can use them all year round. Okay, this is my quick overview of this Chanel Le Beiges Summer of Glow 2021 collection. They have other colors from this collection. These are just my choices. So if you are interested in, you can go for check their website. And hope you guys enjoy this video. If you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and I will see you on my next video.